Hello, anyone here? Hi, Suitaka. Hello, Boku. Hi, can you tell if the video is clear? If you're watching, if anyone watching? Because I'm not sure if you all can see the same thing which I'm seeing. Hi. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Who else are there? Hello. Wait, we'll wait for some time. Wait for some people to come. Meanwhile, wanna ask me anything? Hansika. Hi, Tamil Selvan. Hi, those who are watching. How you all doing? Okay, just a small introduction. I'm Shanti Sri Subramaniam, also known as Shania. Hello, hello. So we'll wait for some more people to join, yeah? Hi, Iko, how are you? Oh, my volume is slow, is it? Okay. Is this good, Tamil Selvan? இந்த வால்யூம் போதுமா இல்ல இன்னும் லவுடா பேசணுமா? Okay, what language you guys prefer? I think for now I'll talk in English. I will try to talk in Tamil. My Tamil is not so good, but I can manage. So is it loud now? Can you all hear me? Hello? Oh, why I'm wearing this? Okay, it's a talk show. Since I'm the champion of Miss Hit Malaysia 2017, so I just like to interact with y'all, see how y'all doing during this MCO. Huh, yes, we are Indians, yes, I agree. Telugu, Sam Rao. Okay, namaskaram, బాగున్నారా? Hi Hanida, apa kabar? It's okay, whatever language you all prefer, I will talk, okay? Oh, still not clear, is it, Tamil Selvan? Yeah, I am using Bluetooth. I am using microphone. Still not clear, still not loud. Yes, Shanaya Sri, Shanti Sri, yes. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, everybody Indians, we just call Indians, that's all. Hello. Hi, a small introduction about me. I'm Shanaya Sri. Miss Hit Malaysia 2017 champion. Actually, I'm proud to say and I'm glad to say that I'm the first queen of Harry International Talents. Yes. And I joined this pageant in 2017. Actually, end of 2016, I signed up to be the model of Harry International Talents, and then the pageant was in the early of 2017. It was a very beautiful journey. I learned a lot of things. Okay, a lot of messages. Hi, Shan. How are you? Hi, I'm fine. Oh, Tamil Selvan, Chinese? No, I cannot speak Chinese. I'm learning little bit. Hi, Kak Mam. Apa khabar? Hi. Hi, Sam Rao. Hello. So, okay, can I continue? Then you guys can ask me questions later. Okay, in 2017, yeah, I joined this journey. It's a very beautiful journey. My pageant director, Miss Nicole, and then obviously our boss, Mr. Harry, really trained us so well. It's like they gave us this beautiful platform so that we could perform and so that we could showcase our talents. And actually, like I didn't have confidence to join this. And the time lo some people would want me to talk in Tamil. And the time lo confidence avaloga illa. But still I put in effort, and then the confidence which they gave, and like it boosted everything. I managed to reach this level. And I don't want to stop there. Yeah, Harry International Talent doing a lot of events. They began with Miss Hit Malaysia, and then after that they started Miss Hit Penang, Miss Hit Johor, Mrs. Hit Malaysia, Mr. Hit. Even for children they did. And also like they're doing a lot of charity, Harry International Talent. So I'm part of it, and I'm glad, I'm happy to be part of it. Okay, let's see who else are there watching. Hi. Hi. Hi, Lachika. Hi, how are you? Okay. Shatish, 7 cents. Hi, how are you? Okay. Raghav, hello. I'm good. How are you? Thank you. Yogaraj, hi. Hi, how are you? Angel Devi, hi. Hi, how are you? Hi, Rishi. Hi, Tamil Selvan. Okay, so wow, so many personal questions are coming. Are you married? How old are you? Okay, maybe I will keep that question to the end. I don't want to answer now. Okay, so what else you guys want to know? So after after winning the talent in 2017, I didn't stop there. I joined other events, charity events, and yes, I was like a bit busy with my work and all, but still I made time to join all these events which they had. And most of the times I'm free only on weekends. Okay, obviously now during MCO, most of the times we are free. So I just took this opportunity to interact with y'all. So maybe I can just boost confidence in y'all also. Those people who want to do something in this modeling field, they want to achieve more things. Those people who like think I cannot do it, I'm not beautiful. No, don't ever think like that. Everybody is beautiful. The beauty is not here, it's here in your heart. Okay, who else? Hi, those who are watching. Hi, welcome. I'm Shania Sri. You all can call me Sri or Shan or Shania or anything you all want. Hi Tilaka, how are you? Good afternoon. Hi. Hi, how are you all? Okay, currently I'm in KL. I'm staying here, okay, due to PKP, but I work in Perak. I'm working in a government clinic, okay? Okay, Satish Rao, yes, what challenges you have faced to achieve this? Okay, it's a good question, yeah? What challenge, like how I told earlier, I didn't have the confidence, okay, and I always feel I don't have talent. So like when you want to join this beauty pageant, we always see from beginning, right? If you want to be a beauty queen champion, you need talent, dancing, singing, or any special kind of talent. Like I didn't have like this kind of talents, I presumed. And then after I joined this Hair International Talent, this agency and all, and then I knew, oh, I can dance also. Then like that's some talents, hidden talent, which like they managed to bring it out of me. So and then like other challenges which I came at is like time constraint. So like that time I was working, and I was working in Kuala Kangsar. Yes, the pageant is in KL, Kuala Lumpur, and I was working in Kuala Kangsar. It was like way too far, and it's like it's exactly not in Kuala Kangsar. It's another rural place in Kuala Kangsar. It's like it takes to 30 to 40 minutes to reach to Kuala Kangsar, and after that from there I need to take any other public transport or KTM and all. I was not driving back then, so it was like kind of difficult. So I managed to come for all the events, all the programs which they had. So I requested them to make it on weekends, those days which I'm getting leave, those weekends, and I managed to come. I did what I could, and in that small time I had to prepare for the talent round, the question and answer, and all those things. Okay, who else? Hi, Malini. Hi, Malini. How are you? Hugs to you too. Hi, Melaka. How are you? Yeah, like how I said, after joining this pageant, I met a lot of beautiful people. Not only on the face, in the heart also, genuine people like Melaka, Melanie Aka. Like, okay, when I met her, I already finished my pageant. I was crowned as the queen already. Okay, and I was not having the pride, oh, why should I talk to, I'm already a queen, I shouldn't talk to the other people, you know. No, I learned so many things from Melaka, things which are very useful for our lives and everything. She taught me a lot. And the same thing, I want to do exactly the same thing. Like, I want to share my experience, my knowledge to others, those who want to achieve in any other field or anything. You can talk to me, I'm there. Feel free to contact me. You can contact me on Facebook. My Facebook ID Shania Sri, my Instagram Shania Sri. Okay, if those people who I think really genuine, I don't mind sharing my contact number also, only to those people who are really genuine. Yeah, okay. Angel Devi, very true, beauty is not in face but in heart. Yes, true. J Jeff FM, hi, welcome, good afternoon. How's MCU treating you? Yeah, MCU is, that's the new normal, right? So I'm getting used to it. I'm still working, but not every day, alternate weeks. So, okay. So this week I'll prepare for the coming working things, and also it's okay, no problem. Okay, Yoga Raj, hi sis. Okay, tell me about your pageantry. Okay, what advice will you give for new contestant? Okay, new contestant, what advice I'm going to give? Okay, a lot of contestants, right? When they see the other fellow contestant, they started to get nervous, and then they like, okay, oh my god, she's so beautiful. Oh my god, she has this talent. I don't think I can win. That is the first mistake you're all doing. What it will do to you, it will lower down your confidence level. So you won't put any effort. You like, oh, okay, she's already good, so what's the point? So I'll just join the pageant. Okay, I don't mind even if I'm winning, I'm not winning. The problem is I've joined it. It's okay, screw it. Just do whatever I can. Don't. Okay? Time, things, luck will always not be on the beautiful side. Okay? You have to put in effort. Okay, if you don't, you think other person has a very good talent, why don't you just, okay, dig out your talent. Everybody has. Learn some new things. Talk to other people. Okay, what can I do? And you have YouTube. You can Google new kind of talents. You can learn some arts or anything. Doesn't mean, okay, doesn't mean dancing is the only talent. Singing, most of the people, they like dancing, singing. Do something else. You can do an act, and like maybe that's your hidden talent. You are good in acting, you are good in drawing. Yeah, you can just, sorry, yeah, just try and explore yourself. Only you can do it. Okay, if the other person say, okay, you do this, no, you should know what you are good at. Okay, and then, okay, Melaka, keep going, you rock. Thank you. You rocked yesterday too. Swarna Kamala Subramaniam, hi. Thank you for the claps. Okay, and then Saravana Kumar, Malaysia Beauty Pageant, all is individual organization, not international standard. We cannot generalize it. You cannot say every beauty pageant doing that way. There are some good pageants too. Okay, like the Harry International Talents. Maybe I was thinking, what is that international? You know, we even Harry International Talent even welcome those people who are not from not Malaysian citizens. Those talents. There are people who from India, Singapore, other countries are joining as well, and it also open to all the races. Okay, not only Indians. We have champions, Malay champions, Sarawakian, and we have Chinese people. I know it's Satu Malaysia. Okay, Tamil Selvan, how you manage your time? Okay, how I manage my time between my work and, you mean my work and the pageant, you know? Okay, initially, yes, it was difficult when I was staying quite far in Kuala Kangsar, like how I told you all. Very difficult to manage time. And now recently I got transferred somewhere near. So weekends I'm free. And I use my weekend time, though when I'm free, then I'll just come, do some charity, just join. Okay, even when last time when I was in Kuala Kangsar, weekends, I used to work also. I used to go for rural camps, for all this perkampungan orang asli. I go there, give them treatment, do checkup for them. I used to do all this. So I don't want to waste my time. Okay, we have 24 hours in a day. That's quite long, right? So you can just personal life, sleeping, and you still can segregate some time for your other events as well. Okay, hi. Okay, Satish, yeah, great, as you have strong spirit. Thank you. Really, the spirit, I got it from so many people. Mr. Harry, of course, because he is the one who created this platform. Miss Nicole, she truly and really inspired me. You know, some pageant directors, they'll be like very bossy. They're like, okay, you can't even do this. But she was not like that. She was very consoling, comforting, very supportive. And if you do anything wrong, she doesn't, she won't smirk, she won't get upset, nothing. She, with so much of full of patience, she was very patient, you know, and she just like taught you, no, this is not like that, you have to do like this, my dear. That's it. And then that's when you can catch things easily. You know, I was like, maybe in the past, during my studies and all, surely everybody would have gone through that. When people push you, no, it's not like that, it's like this. When people like, you know, they scold you, actually that doesn't make you a better person. That will lower down your self-esteem. That's what I feel. you don't give up on another person. If you want to teach somebody, you don't give up on them. Be patient, teach them slowly, definitely they can catch. Okay, and who? Very true, Mel is a wonderful woman. Agree with you. Yes, Sunitaka? Yeah. Yeah, those days I heard about Melaka. I think she's a very kind person. Yes. Okay. Harry, Mr. Harry, how do you manage your work and pageant? Yeah, I already told earlier how I manage my work. So those weekends which I'm not busy, I will just join this any pageantry events or any charity events. And also we have annual leaves, so I also keep my annual leaves. Okay, some definitely I keep to go for holiday, and some I keep my annual leaves so that I can do some good stuff like this charity, for anything for this will be useful for this pageant and all. Sharinko, hi pretty, stay safe. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, Sarana Kumar, real beauty is not wearing crown but put pottu. Okay, Tali, if you married, this is real beauty. Okay, I will put pottu. Okay, due to rushing and all, I forgot. Okay, if you want me, I can put pottu for you in a while. Okay. Oh, my mommy is watching. Hi, Sridevi, mommy. Okay, Yoga Raj, understood sis. Thank you so much. Thank you so much too. Okay, Swarna Kamala, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Okay, in the next 5 years, in next 5 years, where do I see myself is like, I also want to become like a Mrs. Nicole, like a pageant director. I want to train all these young girls, okay, share my experience, teach them, okay, boost their confidence. And also in next 5 years, I would like to be in a higher position. Maybe, I know it's too much, maybe a director or director for my own company. Who knows? Can, right? Okay, and then okay, who else? Okay, you're talking outside of the box, bro. Okay, thank you, Tamil Selvan, for backing me up. Okay, Meenu Meenaloshni, proud of you. Thank you so much. Okay, surely all of y'all can make other person proud also. Okay, everybody, surely they will make someone to be proud. Okay, as a child, definitely you will make your parents proud. In the classroom, as a student, you make your teacher proud, right? If you're married, you make your family, your husband proud. Yeah, it's quite easy to make someone to be proud, you know. Okay, Tamil Selvan, ignore the negative talks. Sure, thank you. Yes, ignoring negativity is the best to keep yourself positive and your surrounding positive. Hi, Anne Ganu, how are you, sis? I'm good, how are you, dear? Yes, Mr. Harry, Mrs. Nicole, our first pageant director, salute to her. Yes, really salute to her. She did a very, very good job. Okay, Swarna Kamala Subramaniam, who is your role model? Okay, Swarna, my role model, who will I say? Okay, I will say my mom and dad. Okay, my mommy, yes, she used to struggle. My mom came from India when she was very young, about 18 years old. She just got married in India and she was brought to Malaysia. She has no idea where is she going, who is she getting married to. Those days it was like that. And she was not treated as well the moment she came here to Malaysia, and still she strived. She brought us all to this position. She made all her kids professionals. My dad as well, he worked really hard. My dad is not like some businessman or anything. He was just like a normal movie distributor, and he used to be a lorry driver, all these things. But he made sure, both my parents, made sure all the children become professionals. Doctor, engineer, chemist, and one more becoming future final analysis. Yeah, so it's like not your background, you see. It doesn't matter from which background you come, how you want to move forward. It's everything is in yourself. You want to go forward, you want to move forward, yes, it's in you. You can do it. Just don't depend, okay, I'm coming from a poor family, okay, my father is uneducated, my mom is uneducated, so I don't think I will do well, it's okay. No, that is how now Harry International Talent, they're giving this platform to everybody. They don't see rich, poor, young, old, beautiful, not beautiful, everything. They're educated, non-educated, no, everybody is given chance. That's it. Once you're given a chance, grab it. Don't miss the opportunity. Okay, Swarna, your question was answered. Okay, looks like singer Chinmay Srinivas Rao. Hi Srinu. Okay, I get that a lot. Anyways, thank you. Rishi Maya. Thank you for supporting all the Hair International team speaker, Mr. Thamizhavan. Okay, Harry Flicks, your experience being a judge. No, I've never been a judge directly before. Yeah, I don't think so. So I'm waiting. In future, yes, I'm ready to become a judge. If I'm given the opportunity to become a judge, I will promise I'll be a true and which give importance to equality and be a fair judge. So I'm waiting to be called as. I was invited a few times, and like as due to time constraint I couldn't make it. Yes, and now I told you all I'm quite close to KL and all, and I think I can make more time for this pageantry and modeling industry. Okay, Lashika, how was your winning moments as a champion? Hi, Lashika. Yes, okay, it was very unexpected. I didn't really expect, and oh yeah, that time the gowns, everything was sponsored by Harry International Talent, but due to some fitting and all, I designed my own pageant gown. I designed everything I did on my own, and like I flaunted it. Yeah, and then like when I was announced as champion, I was like, really? Then it was like a very proud, happy, and like I even shed a tear of joy. Yeah, it was very happy moment. Yeah, like you feel accomplished, you feel like even you can do it. And at that time I determined that I shouldn't stop there. So the winning moment surely will bring me to achieve more heights. Okay, Ramesh Rajendran. Okay, keep rocking the. Thank you Ramesh Anna. Okay, Karthikeyan Singaravelu. Any plans into movies? Maybe if I get a good role, why not? If I have fans, if I have supporters, I don't mind trying and venturing into movie industry. Okay, stay safe. My dental clinic will always support you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Jay Ganesh, hello, how are you? Hi, I'm good. How are you, Mr. Jay? Okay, Satish, good. Keep it up. Ignore negative people and follow your passion. Yes, thank you. And the same thing I would like to tell to other people also. Ignore negativity. Just try to create positive vibes. Okay, one more thing I would like to share with you all. I ignore negativity, how this Satish told. The more you ignore negativity, you will be surrounded with positive vibes. Okay? When people are giving you negative comments, negative thoughts and all, don't talk back, backfire and all. Simple. Ignore. Just ignore. That's it. Okay, ignoring negativity will give you positivity. That's my rule. Okay. Okay, Swarna Kamala. Okay, thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Sridhara, do you have any experience with criticism? Yes, I do. I went through a lot during my young age, my college, my schooling. Yes, and I had very low self-esteem. Like I told you all, of course, low self-esteem by the appearance. I feel okay, I don't look good, I can't do well, and people do criticize. Okay, you don't look nice. What are you wearing? Why your eyes like that? Even from relatives and all, why your teeth are like that? You know, a lot of your hair is not nice. Your hair is like so long. You should cut it short. It's my wish. I think nobody has a right to criticize you. If they criticize you, just ignore. Like I told, ignore negativity. Ashwini Aishu, congratulations. Okay, thank you. Okay, the moment you ignore negativity, and one more thing, gather positive people around you. That's very important. Okay, you ignore negative people, the more positive people around you, your aura, your vibration will become very positive. That's how you're going to reflect outside. Seriously, inner positivity will definitely reflect outside. Kumara Guru Olaganathan, congratulations on being on this show. Rentak Sujuta is sharing this. Okay, thank you so much. It's my pleasure. Okay, Sena Ram, do you have a plan to venture into fashion designing or into movies? Yes, fashion designing I always had. Like I told, my pageant gown for both the rounds was designed by me. I'm very proud to do that. But I didn't proceed after that. Okay, my mom has a boutique, so sometimes I used to help her to design for the customers and all, and I haven't done in a long time, so I'm planning to continue. Yes, thank you for reminding that, Senaka. Sure, and into movies, like how I told earlier, if I get a good opportunity and it's a good role, surely I don't mind. I will do it. Okay, Jaya Shalini Subramaniam, congratulations sis, keep rocking. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll keep rocking. Kartikeyan, okay, thank you. We are there to support. Oh, thank you. Okay, if you guys are there to support, definitely I don't mind venturing into movie industry. Okay, Saranya Sri Subramaniam, can you sing a song? I can't sing actually. I cannot. Okay, like how they say criticism. Yes, people told me please don't ever sing. You suck at that. So from then I stopped singing. But I'm a bathroom singer. Okay, not now. People might, those who are watching now might run away. So maybe I will save that for the later part of the show. Yeah. Okay, Maniraj, hi Shana. Okay, Jaya Shalini Subramaniam. How to overcome low self-esteem? Okay, how to overcome low self-esteem? Okay, Jaya Shalini, go and talk to the person who has confidence. Okay, you have a lot of mentors, mentees, all these pageant winners and all. Definitely those people who came forward because of low self-esteem. Why you want to have this low self-esteem? Everybody has a hidden talent. Everybody has something in them. You shouldn't have that. Be confident. Just move forward. First of all, like how I told earlier, why you're having low self-esteem is because of the negative comments from others. Just ignore it. The moment you ignore all this negativity, negative comments and everything, and surely you won't have any kind of a low self-esteem. Inferiority complex. Just throw it away. Okay, Rishi Maya, love the way you reply to the negative comment just now with a smile and humble answer. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, Harry Flix, how you handle negative comments? Okay, Harry Flix, Mr. Harry, how I handle negative comments? I ignore them. Okay, I don't want to reply and respond to them. Okay, just ignore. When the dog barks at the sun, nothing happens to the sun because the sun is ignoring. It's the same. Sashi Kumar Lingam, thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Krish Tila, hi Shania, Tilaka here. I must tell you that you were and always be our pride. I remember Mr. Harry said that it was right choice to crown her. Oh, thank you Tilaka, thank you so much. I'm always there for Harry International Talents, now, then and forever. Okay. Janet Michael, hi Queen, share your pageantry tips to finalists. Okay, share my pageantry tips for talent round. Just don't stick up to dance and singing. Venture, go Google, YouTube, find other talents. Uniqueness, that's what will make you to achieve. Be different from others. Okay, Janet, Michael, so any other questions? Okay, other tips which I could give. Self-grooming, yes. Okay, don't always depend on the beauty parlors and this. Learn something for yourself also. Learn how to do makeup. After I joined this Harry International Talents, I was not good in doing makeup at all. Now I managed to do okay. Even today I just did a very simple makeup. I don't know, hope you guys like it. I think it's nice. I feel it's very simple and sufficient. So learn self-grooming. It's very good. And then carry yourself well. Okay, walk with grace and poise. Don't care, it's not in only beauty pageant or beauty contest you have to walk with poise and grace, you have to do this catwalk and all. No, even when you go out and like anywhere, just maintain your good posture. It's good for your body, your backbone, it supports you well, and also it's like a practice for your pageant and all. And that's when people look at you. Even you go to a shopping mall, you go somewhere, the way you carry yourself, people like, it will create respect. You'll say, wow, look at this girl or this guy, carry themselves very well. It creates a positive impression in others. Okay, hi Wani, hi sis. Hi Wani, hello. Janet Michael, hi, I missed her hits to 2020. Oh, okay. Hi, Janet. Yes, why not? Yeah, that's good. That's the confidence, right? You should have. Okay. When you think you can do it, yeah, obviously you can do it. So, okay, come on, bring it on. Any other questions you would like to ask me? We have plenty of time. Any questions you can ask me. Anything you guys want me to share with y'all? Okay, anything? Hello ladies, gentlemen, guys. Okay, oh hi, hello. Okay, so there's another person asked me, okay, am I going to stop here? No, I don't think so. Like, I would like to join more pageants also in future, country level or nationwide level. Okay, sure. I would like to join all other pageants. So like, I don't want to stop there, and I also want to train others. Okay, I would like to be a big part of Harry International Talent, so that like it will be a new lesson, and also like helpful I want to give helpful tips for all the new junior and upcoming queens and models. Okay, Kasturi Devan, hi sis, hi. Sridharan, what are your go-to store or sites for clothes? Okay, it's a secret. You want to know where I get my clothes? Okay, where I get my clothes? I go get my clothes in most of the times I shop in Singapore, India, and even Malaysia. My favorite brands, if you ask me, like for casual, I prefer Armani Exchange, and I also do online shopping on Zalora and all. But my favorite is traditional clothing. I like this lehenga, saris, Punjabi suits. Some I design on my own. The sari blouses, saris, Punjabi suits, lehengas, all I design on my own. So I no need to waste more money on designers. So I design on my own, and then we have our own tailor, own boutique. So I just give him to stitch for me. Swarna Kamala Subramanya, your TikTok's super. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, those who watch my TikToks. Okay, I just do that for fun, and also it could be one of the platform to boost your confidence. Yes, why not? Anything, right? It could give you confidence. Like when you do these TikToks and all, yeah, people will tend to comment, okay, nice, oh, that's nice, you're doing it very well, great. So what will happen is like, oh, I'm doing good, okay, good, it's a pat on your back, you know. Miss Nicole, hello, I spoke so much about you. Yeah, Miss Nicole is here watching. She was the pageant director which I was talking about. She inspired me so much. My well-wisher, my sister, everything. Nicole Villa's sister, you are an example of a real queen. Oh, thank you so much. Everything is like, I learned from you. I know when the moment I saw Miss Nicole, yeah, I was like, she's like future of me. I see myself like her in future. It's like, this is my future. Oh my god, I don't know, there are similarities. Like, that's how I want to be. Okay, it doesn't matter. Some people say don't copy this person, that person, create your own trademark or originality. It's okay if that person showing you some positivity, okay, something good, why not? You can take it. Hema Nitya, hi, vanakkam, eppadi irkeenga? Oh, Mrs. Nicole, I was late. No problem, it's okay. Okay, and then like what else? I saw you in Me Too. It's the real attraction. Yeah, see. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, it's the real attraction. So it's okay. Don't think like copying others and all is no originality. No problem. There is nothing wrong if you want to do something good. You're taking it from others. Okay, you copying a bad thing, negative thing. Yeah, it's a problem. Don't. Hi, Hariharan Chandra, Felix Samuel. Oh, hi, Felix. Hello. How are you? Okay. Okay, those who are watching, I hope you guys don't mind sharing this live, okay? Because like I'm telling something, I'm here to talk about something positive, something good, to boost your confidence, to share my knowledge, my experience. So I really hope you guys can share this live. Yeah, thank you. Okay, what else you guys want to know? Anything you guys can ask me, because we have plenty of time. Yeah, okay, we have another half an hour, I think. Okay. Okay, anything? Okay, wait, I just want to have a sip of water. It's green tea actually. Okay, La Chica. Okay, thanks for sharing. Okay, and I would like to talk about body shaming as well. Okay, some people, they think they cannot join this pageant because they are short, they are fat, they are dark, No, don't ever think like that. You are unique in your own way. Okay? Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. You're unique in your own way. So, like, Harry International Talent is here so that you can use this platform no matter how you look, no matter anything. You have talent, you don't have talent, it's okay, no problem. That's what Higher International Talents is there for. It will dig out your talent, it will boost your confidence, it will give you a very good platform. Okay, a lot of negativity. I heard a lot of negative comments about Harry International Talents previously. A lot of people said like, no, they don't do things well, not organized and all. But I've been with Harry International Talents for past 3 years plus, yeah, but I've never seen anything like that. You know, things were smooth and went on very well. Okay, and even for this year 2020, we have like so many finalists. So it got postponed because of this MCO and all. So we have lots of talents, new talents, a lot of finalists are there. Okay, so I really hope you guys will learn so much through this live show. Like yesterday, two beauty queens shared their experience. Today I'm sharing, and there'll be a lot more coming for in another few weeks. So just take all the points. Okay, you guys want to note down also, no problem, why not? Human beings, right? We will forget whatever we are saying. So why don't you take notes for all these upcoming queens and kings? Take note, and then like do a study. Okay, how can you win? What talents you should learn? Okay, and okay, Lashika, thanks for sharing. It was a very great sharing. Yes, thank you so much. Anything? Propose love, relax. Now your cheese. Okay. So, any other questions you guys can ask me? We have plenty of time. Okay, what is your greatest fear in this industry? Okay, what is my greatest fear in this industry? I've never thought of that. So far, no fears. Touch wood. Okay. I'm not afraid of negative comments. I'm not afraid of this criticism. What else could be my greatest fear? Losing someone you love will be greatest fear. Once you lose this someone you love, maybe it will definitely emotionally, mentally you'll be disturbed, and you won't be able to continue well in this industry. Yeah, maybe that is my only fear. My only fear will be losing someone we love the most. Yeah, besides that, no. Share your beauty tips. Okay, Miss Nicole, I should ask that. I should ask you that question. My beauty tips, I always like natural things and simple makeup and all. So I don't use all this. I don't do all these surgeries. Nowadays, all the beauty queens and then even the movie industry everywhere, like they are trying to do all these surgeries and everything. So I don't really recommend that, because everything has a side effect. Everything not natural in natural will have side effects, so don't. And to stay natural, you can use face mask, which is multani mitti face mask. Okay, it's like you call it in English earth powder, I think. So it's very natural. It's a powder. You can just mix with rose water and apply on your face. So it removes all these impurities and gives your face a nice glow. You can even add little bit of turmeric. All these are natural products. You can use that. You can use honey and curd for your face. Just use natural products. And you guys, one more tip is take vitamin C. It's very good. Vitamin C is very essential for a human being. It helps for everything. It helps to cure common cold. It makes your skin glow. Okay, it's good for your collagen formation, your teeth, your gums, everything. So if can, just take vitamin C. Every day 500 milligram is sufficient. Okay, and drink plenty of water. Okay, 8 glasses of water, or it depends on your body weight also. Okay, it's another tip I would like to share. Yeah, okay, how many glasses of water you need to drink? Okay, so as we see everywhere they say 8 glasses of water. Another tip I would like to share: your body weight divide by 20. Whatever amount you're getting, those in liters, that's the amount of water you should drink. So do your calculation, you guys can do it. So that's another tip. Yeah, drink a lot of water, depends on your body weight. So your body weight will determine how much of water you need actually. And what else, if can, cut down all this oily stuff. Okay, those going for modeling and then like would like to join this year the pageant and all, cut all this oily stuff. It causes breakouts, so you don't want to have breakouts right before your pageant and all. Yeah, of course you can cover it with concealer and foundation and everything. When you have a very nice skin, so you don't require a lot of thick makeup, a lot of foundation, a lot of concealer, so it will still make your skin visible and very thin and very nice. So take care of your skin well. Okay, how to have nice long hair, please share your tips. Hi Jay Shalini. Okay, how to have long thick hair. Okay, my hair is quite long, you can see. Yeah, it's quite long. I use coconut oil weekly twice. Just apply. Okay, they say okay oil, oh my god, no, it's okay, never mind. Just apply a lot of coconut oil and then just leave it for 1 hour or half an hour and then wash it. Okay, so it will really help for you. Okay, it will make your hair shining and grow longer and longer. And other tips, try to use shampoo which doesn't have lots of chemicals, and don't keep changing your shampoo. If you think that shampoo is suitable for you, I know sometimes you go to all these malls and all these pharmacies and all, they try to recommend this hair shampoo, that hair shampoo. No, you just use whatever you're comfortable with. Don't just buy whatever they're saying. Yeah. Okay. Prema Vilashini Nathan. Hi Premaka, hi, how are you? Hi. Okay, and then like what are the tips which I can give? Okay, yeah, go natural and simple as much you can. Just simple makeup is okay. And avoid using makeup daily. So it will keep your skin very clear and smooth, and then like it won't you won't have clogged pores. So reduce, if not necessary, no need. If you want to go for just like grocery shopping and all, if can, no need makeup for all that. Okay, why you are putting makeup, like what other person will think when they look at me, no, don't care, it's okay. That's why, that is because you don't have self-confidence and you have low self-esteem. It's okay, don't worry, don't bother what they think. It's okay, right? It's how you carry yourself well. Just a simple makeup, or you just put, like me, if I just want to go, even today, okay, what I'm putting, yeah, you guys want to know, right? Okay, today I just put kajal, even my upper lid, no eyeshadow, no eyeliner, okay, and lipstick, and I just put a simple face powder. That's it. Okay, my eyebrows grew very thick because due to MCO I couldn't go and do any threading and all. That's all. This is my simple makeup which I've done. And yeah, obviously I just put a little bit blusher. That's it. How to get rid of facial hair. Okay, how to get rid of facial hair? Okay, you can use scrub, turmeric, honey, and a little bit of what do you call it? Oh my god, I only know that in Telugu. I don't know in any other language. It's pesarapindi, we call it. Okay, I have to ask my mother what is that in other languages. The one we used to do laddus. Okay, what flour is that? Anyone who knows? Please answer me. The one we used to do laddus. What flour is that? So you just mix that turmeric and that flour and a little bit of honey and just apply on your face and then scrub it off. Okay, Jayashalini, that is the tip. You can, I don't know what flour is that. You can just find it out. Okay, any other beauty tips you guys want to know? Want me to share with you all? Okay, for body weight and all, you guys can as usual, you have to no shortcuts for that. Don't try all this lipo and all. Nowadays lots of things are out there in this like RF radio frequency to make things slim, and then bakalama and all this. Okay, just don't use all that. Simple yoga, any simple kind of exercise, Zumba or aerobics in your house. Tila. Okay, kadalai mau. Okay, that is the flour. Kadalai mau, yeah. Use that. Turmeric, little bit of honey. Apply on your face. Leave it for about 20 minutes. Scrub it off. It's very good to get rid of your facial hair, and also it will make your skin shiny. Okay. Some people don't put honey, just put turmeric and kadalai flour and then water, because honey it's a good antioxidant, so I suggest you all to just add a little bit of honey. Okay, Saravana Raj, hi. Shanaya, hi, hello. Okay, any other question you all want to ask me? And some people, yeah, when they are like very big size, they don't have confidence to join this pageant, we will say, okay, why you're not doing exercise? Some people it's because of their hormonal problems, hormonal imbalances and all this. Maybe they cannot lose weight. It's okay, you are beautiful in your own way. You just have to carry yourself well. Okay, be kind, show your inner beauty. That's it, you are a winner. Everybody is a winner when they can be kind to another person and they know how to treat the next person as well. Okay, Sarana Raj, for guys, any tips for face? Okay, for guys, any tips for face? Yeah, okay, you can try yogurt and honey, do it as a face mask. You can even use the multani mitti. Okay, yeah, multani mitti in English, earth muller powder. Yes, okay, use that for a face mask. And I even recommend facial. Yeah, girls obviously once in a month you can go for facial, just without all these injections and all these machines, I mean, you can just go for natural one, because they will remove all this dead skin and all your blackheads, whiteheads, so it's good. You just go for some natural product facials every month. Yeah, it's good. For guys, yes, why not? They think, why a guy should go for facial? They think, oh my god, so metro. No, it's okay. Guys can go for facial also once in a month. It's okay. Go pamper yourself. Go for some simple, basic kind of facial that will keep your skin glowing, and then it will remove all the dirt and dead skin. Okay, anyone else? Any other question? We have so much, plenty of time. You guys can ask me. We have another half an hour. Yeah. Okay, ask me. Any questions, guys? Okay. Again, I would like to share my Instagram ID, Shanaya Sri, and then my Facebook, Shanaya Sri. Anyone, you all can ask me any question regarding modeling, pageantry, beauty tips, health, or anything. You guys can ask me. Yeah. Okay. Sarona Raj, hi, stay safe. Thank you. You guys also stay safe. Okay. Krish Tilaka, Shania, can you share how your work as a team player during this pageant? What will be your advice? Okay, how I work as a team player. Okay, first of all, the upcoming pageant and all, I would like to share my experience. Okay, and then help them to dig out their hidden talent. They can, you guys can talk to me. Okay, if some people are not sure what should I do for this talent. I don't know what talent I have for this talent round, I don't know what talent I have. Okay, you can talk to me or any other queens. Ask them what do you think, ask them for suggestion. So I'm there to help, so I can guide you all. I'm there to help. I would like to be a big part of this pageant and a Harry International Talent, like I told just now. Okay, and don't be shy to ask. Okay, Tilaka, my advice will be like, don't be shy. I want those upcoming queens, whatever help they need, just ask. The moment you ask, don't think people, oh my god, what will she think of me, I don't even know that. No, nobody can judge you. Okay, so what if you don't know something? It's okay, we are human beings, everybody has things which we don't know, we can forget things. Okay, so don't be shy, move forward, keep asking, keep doing research. Okay, keep getting help. Okay, Sarana, are you a doctor? Oh yes, I am, thank you. Aka, how to maintain weight, tips to body weight or losing some weight. Okay, how to lose some weight. Okay, to maintain, yes, you can have green tea. That's my favorite. My favorite is green tea because I don't drink any other tea and coffee. I've never. Okay, totally. I don't know. I don't like the taste of this coffee and tea. Green tea, yes, I like. And also like your food. Don't take all this oily food and all. Once in a while is okay. And also like how our Kementerian Kesihatan recommended, suku separuh. That means quarter amount of vegetables, quarter amount of quarter amount of vegetables, half amount of vegetables and fruits, quarter amount of fruits, quarter amount of rice. So you have to take less rice. Okay, especially at night. If you really I know we Asians, we cannot stay without taking rice. Even me, I need to eat rice at least once a day. Okay, if you're eating rice for lunch, so you can try to skip it for dinner. You can have some chapati or any light food like bread or anything. Or still you want to eat, try to eat before 6 p.m. 6 p.m. yeah, try to eat it. Try to eat rice early, and if can, try to take brown sugar, and then work out. If you cannot do it every day, okay, it's tiring. Yeah, you can start slowly. Maybe weekly twice. You start weekly twice first. Just do simple Zumba, simple dance. Even dancing is also is enough. You have some favorite music, some Kuttu music, Tamil music or English music, anything. Just play, sweat it out. Just dance. That's quite sufficient for beginners. Okay, Sarana Raj, are you Tamil? I can speak Tamil. Okay, I am an Indian. I can speak Tamil. I can speak Tamil, I speak Telugu, I speak Hindi, I speak Malay, I speak English. So now in the process of learning little bit of Mandarin, because it's one of important language in our country also, right, Malaysia. So it's good to learn languages. Yeah, that's one of my hobby also, to learn languages. Okay, so any other questions? Hi, Mr. Harry, you're watching me. Hello, how are you? Thank you so much for this wonderful platform. Thank you so much for asking me to do this show. I wouldn't have done this without you. I wouldn't have taken this initiative. And this is my first time doing live on Facebook or Insta or anywhere. This is my first live actually. I didn't know. Actually, started sitting at 1 o'clock. I started digging. Okay, what should I do? Where should I click? How to go live and all this. I've never done before. This is my first live. Initially, I was kind of nervous. Okay, more nervous than going on the stage, I think. But okay, I managed it. So okay, you guys think I'm doing well? If doing well, give me some hearts and share this live. Okay, please do share it in a groups or to your family members. Okay, Sarana Raj, how many languages great you are. Thank you, thank you. Kamala, hi, hi. Hi, Miss Kamala. Hello. So, okay, and any other things you guys want to ask me? I'm ready to share. Okay, really, you're done well. Your first live. Yes, this is my first live. I've never done live before. Yeah, that's why I came and sat here at 1 o'clock. I was like digging, oh my god, can I do it? I was so worried, nervous. Yeah, I can even go in front of the crowd with a few thousands of people, but this is more nervous and scary. But I managed to do it. Mrs. Nicole, keep inspiring. Thank you. I got inspired because of you. Okay. Anything else you guys want to ask me? Any story? Okay, so how this MCO life treating you all? And Monday onwards, few shops are going to get open, the shopping and all. Miss Nicole, good job, well done. Thank you so much. Harry Flicks, what's your greatest fear? Yeah, I answered this earlier. My greatest fear is losing someone I love. So losing someone you love will be like the greatest fear. How to overcome it? I don't know. Haven't. Last time, no, haven't. Losing my grandma, yeah, it was like a big impact, and that's all. Few things we had to go through because of that. How to overcome greatest fear? How to overcome greatest fear? Distract yourself. Simple thing. Only thing I think to overcome your greatest fear. Oh, okay, last time I had greatest fear was like my final exams, of course. Once somehow you will come pass of it, right? Even whatever fear is it, the time will heal. So you will definitely pass that fear. So no need to worry. Okay, I feel little worried because work from home I enjoyed it. Okay. Really? A lot of people like getting used to this work from home thing, I think. Sunita Ka, well done, doctor. Information tips, especially for the newcomers. Keep it up. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you again. Acting opportunity if given. Yes, of course, I am willing to take this opportunity if I was offered. If it's a good role, definitely I don't mind trying. Yeah, I have people, I have supporters, I have you all. Definitely, I know you guys will support me. Then I don't mind giving it a try. Siraj, Macha, hi Macha, how are you? Okay, he's my close friend. Okay, my close friend's husband, and he's my close friend also. Okay, know him for very very long. Yeah. Okay. Any other things you guys want me to share? Okay, this MCO thing, yeah. From Monday onwards, most of the shops will be open, and I really advise you all, don't just go serbu all the places or shops and everything. It's okay, slowly maintain the social distance. Okay, make sure you guys wash your hands well. Okay, follow the 7-step hand wash, 7 steps. Okay, and then like wear your mask if you're all going out to this public places, especially if you have any signs and symptoms like flu, cough, all this fever and all. Better don't go anywhere, just rest at home. Okay, keep it real. You got our support always. Okay, Siraj. Okay, thank you so much, Macha. Thank you for the support. Okay, can't wait to meet you all after this MCO. Miss you all, everybody. Those who knows me, yeah. Okay, Raghunathan, வாழ்த்துக்கள் ரொம்ப நன்றி. Okay. Um, any other things? Okay. Okay. This MCO, please maintain a distance and just don't go. So go buy this thing, shopping all. Okay, never mind. Not necessary now. I know all these big shopping malls going open. I heard, but it's okay. Never mind. Relax. Just maintain for some time. Just leave like now. Divya Krishnan. Okay, she's my best friend. Flutu loves. Miss you. Okay. And what are the tips? Okay, reduce going to these crowded places and all. I know you guys are very bored at home. A lot of y'all, I know you guys are waiting. Okay, when this MCO going to get over? I just want to go here, go there, you know. Just slowly. Don't do things abruptly. Yeah. Then keep doing things slowly. Just relax, be calm. Everything's going to be fine. Sarwan, you're speaking amazing. Okay, thank you so much, Sarwana. Romba nandri. Okay. Any other things you guys want to ask me? We have another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Keep sharing, yeah? Keep sharing. So let other people also to watch. So maybe I can share some tips to them. If they have any questions, I can answer them. I can share my knowledge. Knowledge is very good to share, you know. If you keep the knowledge to yourself, it's not going to bring you anywhere. The moment you share your knowledge, when you see other people using your knowledge, so you will be very proud. It's a big moment, you know. You see, it's a proud moment. Okay, you don't be like, okay, I don't want to share my knowledge. You see, if I share, then she will come up in her life. She will earn something. No, don't ever be like that. Don't ever be selfish when you want to share knowledge. Yeah, it's very wrong. Sharing knowledge will make you gain more. Giving something that you have, right, to others, so God surely will give you more. Just give whatever you have to others. When you share, God will give you more. Okay, you're stingy if you keep everything to yourself. Okay, you know, right, what is the answer? Okay, jangan jadi kedekut ilmu, yeah. Okay, how to improve immunity for health? Okay, just now I told you guys can take vitamin C. Vitamin C is very good. It will boost your immunity, your immune system. Yeah, it fights everything, your common cold or everything. It gives your skin, it makes your skin glow. Okay, 500 milligram per day is sufficient. Okay, some people will want to take this 1000 milligram as well, but for normal, your healthy condition, everything is fine, then you can just take this 500 milligram. Yeah, every day vitamin C, it will help to boost your immunity, everything. And then cut down your sugar intake. I know a lot of people love to take sugary stuff and all. Just, if you can, just cut down. Didn't ask you all to stop it. You can cut down. Okay, why don't you guys can try to substitute this sugar with natural sweeteners such as stevia, brown sugar, okay, gula melaka. Yeah, you guys can try to substitute all this honey. Yeah, it's a very good source, you know. I know, of course, like when you try carbonated drinks, these canned drinks, try to avoid if can. It's like has lots of sugar. Okay, just try to avoid. Just make some honey lemon tea at home. Yeah, if you feel like drinking something, just make something. Okay, you want something carbonated, use, okay, I'll give you one more tip. Yeah, soda water, plain soda. Yeah, plain soda, and then lemon, just squeeze a lot of lemon, and then you put honey in it, stir well, you drink it. It's very nice, yummy, seriously. Okay, it's another tip. Any other tips you guys want me to share? Okay, sharing is caring. Yes, Sunitaka, sharing is caring. True. Any other things you guys want me to share? can ask me enna venuma kekalam. Okay, a lot of people want me to talk in Tamil just now. Kekalam enna okay, hi, you guys had lunch today? Hope you guys had lunch. So share with me what you guys had today, right? Now we can talk about some food. Yeah, I'm hungry. I didn't have my lunch yet. Okay, let me have some green tea. Yeah? Okay, so what else, you guys? You told Zumba dance? Yes. Yeah, Zumba is good. You can watch on YouTube. There are many videos. You can just put it in your TV or your computer or your phone. Just try to do it at home. If you don't want to do the Zumba dance, just do any kind of dance. You are good in any Tamil dance or any English song. You can just put and just, what is the motive? You just want to sweat it out, right? Anything will do. Okay, Sarana Raj, had your lunch? No, I haven't. I had my breakfast, so no lunch yet. So I'll do after this talk show. Okay, so anything else you guys want to ask me? Then we have another 15 minutes. So do share this live, so let other people watch as well. Yeah. Okay, anything you want me to share? Okay, hair tips are given for those who wants to have long hair. Just use coconut oil, leave it for half an hour or 1 hour, then you can just wash it. Don't keep changing shampoos. Try to use natural shampoos. Okay, you guys can use the shikakai also. I think you have the powder, it's quite good, the shikakai powder. Okay, how do I feel as a doctor? How do I feel? I feel proud. Okay, I feel happy that I can help people, serving the government, helping others, healing people, helping people from having pain. Yes, and at the same time, yes, I'm like restricted to certain community by joining this Harry International Talent pageant. So I managed to share my knowledge, my confidence, and my charity to others as well. So yeah, Harry International Talent doing lots of charity events for those underprivileged people and kids and everything. So trying to, recently they even had this coloring contest and everything. A lot of this queens and kings help for this berbuka puasa for this often underprivileged kids. Okay, it's something you can do. When you have something, give it, share it. When you share it, you will get more. The satisfaction is different when you share things you have. Okay, dandruff problem, what to do? Okay, dandruff problem, what to do? Okay, you can actually, dandruff problem sometimes it caused because of your dry skin. When you have a lot of dry skin, that is due to lack of water. Okay, and you get this dandruff problem because you keep changing your shampoos and all. So keep drinking water, plenty of water. Okay, and also try to use aloe vera. Okay, you can get aloe vera, just rub it on your scalp, leave it for half an hour, wash it. It really helps. Okay. Ranjita Ramlu, hi doctor, hair loss, what to do? Okay, hair loss, what to do? Okay, use coconut oil, and you can use even onions. Onions, small onions, just blend it, take the juice, apply on your scalp, take a towel, tie it, leave it for about 1 hour to 1 hour or 2 hours, and then wash it. If you can just do this every 2 days once, it will be helpful. Okay, even this hair loss caused because of your hormone imbalance and then lack of nutrients, lack of protein. It even can apply egg mask for your hair for hair loss. Egg has a lot of protein. It is smelly, so just try to put the egg mask for your hair weekly once and then rinse it off. maybe it will be solved. If the hair loss is getting worse, but getting very bad, then better go and see a proper doctor. Maybe you need any medication and all. Okay, if for male hair loss, yeah, male pattern hair loss, it's caused due to your hormonal changes, yeah, increase of your testosterone hormones. So what you have to do, better go and see a doctor, so you'll get the right medicine for you to take. And so sometimes you see a lot of males at young age, you can see baldness in the middle. So it could be about 90% it's because of your hormones. Yeah. Okay, Ranjita, thank you dear, you're welcome dear. Okay, Swarnaraj, thanks a lot for the tips. Okay, any other things you guys want me to share with y'all? Can hear my voice clearly? Is the video clear? Yeah. Okay, those who just joined, hi, I'm Shanti Shriya, or also known as Shanaya or Sri or anything. Okay, Miss Hit 2017, Miss Hit Malaysia 2017 champion. I'm the first queen of Hair International Talent Agencies. So I'm very proud and I'm very glad to be part of it. Yeah. Okay. So I would like to share some tips. So anybody can do modeling, anybody can join this beauty pageants. Okay, just don't think it's only for people who look nice, people who look slim, have beautiful body and all. No, if you have confidence, if you think you can do it, yes, you can. Okay, how to avoid gray hair? Gray hair, how do you avoid? A lot of people, they'll say you have to lessen your tea intake. Yeah, it will make your hair become very gray quite early. So reduce your tea intake if can. Have green tea instead, and then okay, that's a small tip which I could give. Okay, and then what else you guys want to know about me? Want to ask any questions? Come on, just ask. If I know the answer, if I can answer, then I will answer to you all. Okay, so what you guys doing? You guys are bored during this MCO? Yeah, those who think we feel very bored during this MCO, like about to get over. So Monday onwards, I think people will start going out. I think about 80% sectors are open, then can go to work. I know some people will be like, oh my god, the leaves are over, then can go back to work and all. Yeah, we thought this was the new normal, right? Now back to the old normal soon, quite soon. But it's okay, keep maintaining the social distance and all, don't worry. Just pray, hope things will get well, better. Okay, Vijay Chan, nice smile. Thank you so much. Okay, I think in another 5 minutes we can just finish it off. Okay, last few questions. Anybody want to ask me? Anyone? Ask me questions. Another 5 minutes we have. Any questions? So this Hair International Talent really giving platform to everybody. So I advise you all not to miss this opportunity. Just join this platform. Not only to join as like a beauty queen and all, and we are even doing like a lot of beauty pageants. Bollywood beauty pageant is there. Okay, that was recently introduced by Hair International Talents. Can join. Okay, actually by joining this beauty pageant, it doesn't mean you have to win. Not everybody can win, right, in one pageant. So it will make you to win in your life. Okay, winning a beauty pageant is not like winning your entire life, right? Some people, okay, won the pageant, won the crown and all, they just left it. They didn't take any good qualities and then they stop it. No more doing anything. So it doesn't mean you're winning. Some beauty queens, without winning, they still continue doing charity, they're moving forward, and then they're joining more beauty pageants, they're not giving up. That is the true meaning of winning. Okay, Angel, God bless you, always keep rocking there. Oh, thank you so much, dear. Thank you. Okay, Saranaraj, stay safe and your family. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for the prayers. Okay, that's the thing I would like to tell. So don't let anyone to criticize you. Okay, beauty comes from within, from inside, not the looks. Okay, carry yourself well. That's very important. When you go out in public, anywhere, not only on stage, you have to walk with pride, poise, grace. No, anywhere. Okay, let people look at you. Wow, she's carrying herself very well. That's very important. You have to carry yourself well, and then the way you talk, it's very important. Yeah, make sure whenever you talk, one thing you have to bear in your mind: things which you are telling shouldn't hurt another person. Okay, they might not tell you that they are hurt, but it's very important to think before you talk or think before you take any actions. So we don't want something that we do hurt another person. We don't want to do that. Okay, and so because hurting another person with knowing or without knowing is quite bad. We don't want anyone to get hurt, right? We want everybody to be happy, everyone to be blessed. True? Okay, Shalini is hi Sarari, best wishes to you, always love you. Hi Shalini, she's my best friend. Hi, thank you so much, love you too. Sararaj, how you feel winning beauty pageant that moment? Yeah, the moment I won, I was announced as the champion, I was shocked. I was happy. I felt very proud. I felt like I made my parents proud. I made my siblings proud. I made everybody around me proud. And also I thought, okay, now I have this crown is just not any crown. It's like a weight which you are carrying on your head. You have a big responsibility, a big weight on you now. You have to keep moving forward, keep doing good, keep earning good name, yeah, keep helping others, keep caring for other people, everything. You have lots of responsibilities. Once you win a beauty pageant, once you are the queen, you have a lot of responsibilities. People think, yeah, it's done, it's over. No, it's when you begin your life. The moment you win, yes, that's when you're beginning your journey. That's when your beauty pageant journey begins. That's when you're going to pass the baton to others. You're just not going to pass like that. You're going to pass them with full of knowledge. Okay, any other questions? We have another few minutes and then we can just wrap it up. People, come on. Any questions you guys want to ask? Okay. So how you guys feeling about going back to work soon? So are you guys prepared? Yeah. Pushpaka. Hi Pushpaka, how are you? Hello, those who are watching, those who just joined, hello. I'm just giving some beauty tips and how to join, how to proceed in your pageantry life. Pushparani Manika, well said, yeah, thank you, Ka. Wow, So wow, glad to meet you in live. Thank you so much. It's my first live. Yeah, this is my first live, and I'm happy to hear that you all say I'm doing it quite well. Yeah, maybe I think I can do more lives after this. If you guys want to know about anything, you guys can interact with me. Even I'm giving you all my Facebook. This my Facebook is Shania Sri. My Instagram Shania Sri. I even do TikTok. Okay, people say why it's a waste of time. Why want to do TikTok and all? I just do that for fun. So it's like stress relief for me, and also. Yeah, I have confidence. Beginning I don't have, after that I have, and like I want to keep my confidence boosted. And like the moment I do these TikToks and all, when you see all these comments, you will feel happy and you will feel like proud. Oh, not bad, I'm doing well, so keep it up. So it will boost your confidence more, and then it will, and you won't have this low self-esteem. So everybody can do. So what? It's like, it's not like you shouldn't do, I shouldn't do. Okay, why you want to do? If they don't want you to do, they shouldn't have the app itself, right? So why not just do it? Shalini Sundaresan, good words from you. Keep motivating. Okay, thank you, Da. Thank you, Sadari. Pushpaka, I'm good, dear. Okay, Sharon, not yet prepared. Want to extend work from home. Initially, people like not happy to do this work from home. They say it's kind of difficult. Now people are getting used to it and prefer to work from home. Yeah, I know. Shalini Sundaresan, you should do more. Thank you, Dasadari. Okay, with your guys' support and all, surely I will do more. Thank you. See, this is how you get your confidence. Though, that's why I told those people, when you don't have confidence, talk to people who are going to give you positive vibes, when they can give you positive thoughts and all. It will keep you boosted, will always keep you high, up level, up to keep you to the upper level. Okay, wish to do more live. I start following you and you're happy. Thank you so much. I will. Okay, keep rocking, keep moving, darling. Keep in touch always. See you soon in the next event. Thank you so much. Okay, and then we can wrap it up, I think. Any other questions? I'm just going to open for another 5 minutes. Okay, come on, shoot it. Any questions? Anything else you guys want to know? So tell me, share with me what you guys had for lunch today. I know during this MCO people all started cooking all this variety kind of food. Yeah, the moment I open this Instagram or TikTok or this Facebook, I just see food everywhere. Those people who don't know how to don't know how to cook, they are doing very well. Even me, I can cook from beginning, but not very well. Nowadays I'm starting all the variety kind of food. Yeah. So, and okay, I know you guys are cooking and you guys are eating the things that you are cooking. Okay, so please don't keep cooking all this unhealthy stuff and keep eating that. I know I can see all people, everybody started baking cakes and all. One more tip: when you want to bake cake, instead of that regular sugar, just try to use all these natural sweeteners such as brown sugar and stevia. Okay, so in a way it could be some amount of healthy. Definitely it's not bad healthy because of the butter level and all this. Some amount of health benefits will be there. So Shalini, I'm at hometown, you should drop by. I'm a better cook now. Hi Sodari. Oh really? Okay, I'm in KL. Surely I'll drop by. Yeah, you're a better cook. I miss your food. I'll come soon. Okay, today dinner mee curry day. Oh nice, yummy. I'm getting hungry now. Lunch simple only. Okay, Sarona Raj, I feel I only guy ask beauty tips. No problem, why not? Guys, even you should look presentable, right? Guys should ask for beauty tips as well. There's no harm in doing like a facial once in a while, keeping your skin healthy. Yeah, for guys, I would like to share one more thing. most of the guys, they just use the regular body soap for their face. No, just use a separate soap. You can use facial cleanser, which is a lot out there meant for guys. Use that. Your body soap, it's a different pH and it's for a different type of skin. Your face and your body is not same at all. Don't ever use the same soap for your body and face. Yeah. Okay, yes, I use brown sugar. Good, dear. Good. Keep it up. Use brown sugar. Okay, lunch, we'll have it soon. Yeah, it's quite late. You guys should have lunch. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, listening to me. Very happy, very proud. Okay, keep sharing. Let other people watch as well. Yeah. Okay. So, any other things you would like to know? Okay, like another beauty tip which I told earlier, when you guys going shopping or anything, ladies, please, it's okay, just simple shopping and all, no need to put heavy makeup and go. Let your skin breathe. Don't put on makeup every day. And one more thing, before sleeping, don't ever forget to remove your makeup. Wherever you go, you'll be like very lazy and all. No, it will cause clogged pores and it will damage your skin. Yeah, it will make your skin look aged. So make sure you double cleanse. You use makeup remover first, and then after that wash your face with your regular cleanser. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, very wonderful experience. Thank you so much. I'm glad that my first live went on very well. This is my first time, and after that I can share other tips which I know in future. You guys can contact me personally as well. Any tips, I don't mind giving. Any help for your pageantry or any modeling career or anything, you guys can talk to me. Yeah, those who are really fine, genuine, want to learn something, I don't mind sharing my contact number also. I'm not the stingy kind, no want to give my mobile number and all. No, I don't mind giving. I'll share, and I'll reply you all when I have time. I will try to make some time for you all. And thank you so much, Harry International Talent, for giving me this opportunity. Okay, being a queen, I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to move forward. Okay, I would like to judge other pageants as well, and I would like to help the new upcoming models to choose a right path, right career. Okay, I don't want to see these young girls, they just join some kind of modeling and then people try to exploit all this. It's very wrong. So I would like to be a guidance for them so that they know where they're going, so that they know they're choosing a right path or not. Choosing a right path, very important. Okay, I know there are a lot of pageant platforms are there, and like hopefully you choose the right one. Don't choose a wrong one, and you'll end up you end up being misused. It's very wrong. Okay, young girls are there, 18 years, 19 years, being misused. So please think well, think careful. Your future is very important. Before you joining pageant, consult few people. Do a background check. Okay, they will surely have their previous models and all previous queens. You can talk to them. If it's a new pageant, do a background check. Okay, do make sure nobody is like misusing or taking advantage on you. Okay, Charlene. Okay, Truda, I haven't makeup since MCO started. Just do skin routines and mask once a week. My skin glowing and so clean. Yes, you see, there's a beauty. Exactly. Stop. Don't use makeup when it's not necessary. Unless it's really. Even now, I just shared. I put a very simple makeup. Eyeliner, no eyeshadow, no. This is kajal, no eyeliner as well. Slight blusher, little bit of powder, and then lipstick. That's it. I never done anything. So I feel like you are staying indoors, you just no need to put so much and thick makeup and all. So this is the time during MCO you can let your skin breathe. Routine weekly face mask, yes, it's very good. Try to use natural face mask also. Multani mitti or that the flour, the kadala flour and all. You can try. Equally, thanks for sharing, Doctor. Lovely info. Okay, welcome. Okay, Saruna, goodbye. Take care. See you soon. Okay, goodbye. Take care. Okay, Rishi Maya, good luck, Doctor. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I think I'm going to sign off now. So anything you guys can contact me personally, privately, anywhere. I'm just going to give you all my Facebook and Insta ID. Okay, can PM me for any other beauty tips or how to boost your self confidence. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I put there. That's my Insta and my Facebook. I think you guys can see. And I even have TikTok. I know you guys feel like watching something to make yourself laugh, or if you guys upset or anything, you can watch my TikToks. I know it's quite funny, but it's just to keep your self-esteem boosted. Okay, so okay, I think I'm going to sign off. Any last questions? I'm going to open for last 3 questions or 1 question or anything. Just ask me before I leave. You guys can share this video even after this, because the tips are still in there. If anyone missed out the points, can watch again the video, note down the points. Okay, can I go now, or you guys still want me to wait? Hello people, anything? Any question? Want me to talk about anything? Okay, I joined this beauty pageant in 2017. I'm Shania, Miss Hit Malaysia 2017 champion. I'm the first queen of the Sahara International Talent. I'm so proud and glad that I've been a role model for others. Okay, so there are a lot of queens after that. So anything, so be safe during this MCO, maintain social distancing, your hand hygiene is very important, do well, wash your hands very cleanly. Okay, even when you're going buying groceries and come back, first thing, wash your hands first. And one more thing, careful with the sanitizers. Some sanitizers has alcohol in it, and so when you just use hand sanitizer and started cooking and all, the fire, it might catch flame. Be careful. It's one tip which I would like to share. Okay, I think we can wrap it up. Any final questions? You guys can. So all these upcoming beauty queens, don't forget, any tips you guys can ask me, and there are a lot of beauty queens out there, other winners, you can ask them also. Don't ever afraid to ask questions. Okay, like how they say in Malay, right? Kalau tak tanya nanti sesat. So you don't want to sesat, right? Tanya je. Okay, don't be shy. Nobody's going to judge you. Okay, nobody has rights to judge you. You are the person who should judge yourself. Okay, Sunitaka, bye. Okay, those who just joined, okay, I'm just sharing some beauty tips, and also I'm joining some knowledge and my experience of being a beauty queen. Okay, after this you guys still can watch my video, can continue watching, and then keep sharing this video. Okay, the tips are there, so you guys can rewind or anything, just can get back the points that you guys want to see. Okay, bye everybody. Okay, I'm going to sign off, and then like we can even I think I will do more live after this. Yeah, this is my first live, like how I told earlier. I'm going to do more lives. I hope you guys can join, so I can share some tips, any tips, beauty tips, health tips, pageantry tips, modeling tips, anything. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to sign off. Okay, bye everybody. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Okay. Okay. Eat your meals on time. Eat the right amount that you need. Don't overeat. Yeah. Bye. Okay, Savannah, Raj. Okay, your first life is very best. Okay, thank you so much. Vanakkam, Nandri. Bye. Okay, bye everyone. Nindum papom, nindum sandipom. Bye. Okay.